Well, hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to KT Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the trim pieces out of the rear window of a Foxbody Mustang. This is a 1990. It's got a rear hatchback. The trim pieces are quite difficult to get out, and if you don't do it correctly, it's going to break, and there's no replacement pieces for these, so you're going to have to buy a used one. Same procedure goes to the front window. Just going to show you the back, but the front should be the same. The clips are different sizes. I'll show you the clips, but the procedure is the same. So let's get right to it. So you can see I popped this one side open so I can show you what's inside, and then we're going to work on the fresh one on that side. So these trim is held in by clips that are like this, and you can see that it's pushed in. There's a pin inside, pushed in, and then it retains it using, I'm going to pull this out and show it to you. It retains it using these two knot right here. See if we can zoom in a little bit. So yeah, this two upset right here is what holding the trim in. So the trim, it rolls on the inside here. So the inside of this piece is a channel, and that channel has been retained by these two upper upset. And so to get it out, you're gonna get a pry bar in here, and then you gotta locate where the pins is at, and then you lift it up from the inside. If you try to do some other way, it's gonna break these. These are really flimsy, and as you try to bend it like that, it's gonna break in the middle, and then it's gonna be a nightmare trying to find replacement pieces. So let's go ahead and work on that side. So you need a pry bar that looks like this. Make sure it's plastic, just so it doesn't break anything. And you're just gonna work on these corners. These pieces are it broke into one piece that go to the middle, another piece go to that side. So that's 1, 2. So there's 3 pieces in the back, and the gaps right here. So we're gonna try to separate these. It looks like someone already tried to pull this, and you can see that they already bent this a little bit. So that's a no-go. Don't try to pull somewhere that doesn't have clips. So you want to go to where the clip is at, and you know the clip's back here somewhere. So you're going to try to pry it just like that, and you see it popped up just right away. And so that way you don't damage anything. And then you just have a feel for where the next one is. So next one is somewhere here. You can see that this corner is kind of tight. So, and as you try to lift it up, it's gonna come out, and just be real careful. You see how I'm gonna bring the camera a little closer, and I'm just trying to work on this corner, make sure that we're not breaking anything. And you see where that clip is at right there. Get another clip. Use another tool here to get it out. There you go. You can see this. Coming out nicely. It just hung up a little bit there. There you go. So, and where the clips are at, there's like little knot that they cut in, and it's not as wide as the clip. So I guess they designed it for you to stick something in here and pry it out. But first you gotta lift it up first. So let's try the next one. I'll move this further up, and on this one, get a feel where it is. So it's probably somewhere here, and as I try to lift this in, and I think there's enough room for me to stick this one in. Yeah, just be careful with these guys. They're very fragile, and you don't want to break them. There you go, guys. So just keep prying on the inside and lift it up, and it should pop off right from where the clip is at. And so just just gonna keep working at it until all of this comes out. Guys, I'm going to show you the difference between the front and the rear clip for the windshield. So this is the rear windshield clip. It has two offset here to hold the trim on two places, one on each side. You notice the front one is kind of narrow, but it's a little bit longer, and it's only holding one place. So that's the only thing different, but it's still like it's held by the pin that's been welded on, and you can just push this down, it'll lock in. And yeah, so these are the two clips that are in front and rear. Well guys, that's it. The procedure is super simple, and if you happen to bend it just a little bit, you still can straighten it out. Just be real careful and use your hand, kind of just straighten it out. It should come out just fine. So anyway, I really appreciate you guys tuning into KT Garage. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.